To change the pattern of call vibration on Samsung Galaxy A36 5G, then first of all we need to go to settings. Next, in the settings you want to scroll down a little bit and choose sounds and vibration. And now over here look for call vibration and then choose it. Here we have different patterns that we can use. If you select any of these options, then you can feel the vibration, so you can hold your phone while changing these options in order to find out how the pattern works. And you can also set up a different pattern for different SIM cards. And that is it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!